Oh, hi everybody. This is a farewell video, not from me, but from our old friend, Mr. Boiler. And over all the years, we've had it, in 2008, so it's 12 years, I think, nearly 12 years old. In that time, I have replaced the three-way valve, the drive motor, or stepping motor, we're going to call it, the expansion tank, once I think, yeah, the pump, the pressure relief valve, not touched the gas, the heat exchanger, that's been washed out a couple of times. I think that's about it. A couple of taps, valves, topped it up, and now that's the pressure. And I'll explain what's happened. So the pressure has dropped completely. This boiler has been okay, and I just want to clarify as well that I keep getting so much stick when I open this boiler up. I'm allowed to work on the water side of the boiler. I have never, ever, ever, ever touched the gas side. So this coming in is to do with gas, and this and this and this. And I had an engineer come out 2 days ago who his girlfriend works at us where I work, and he's come out and he's a boiler engineer and he's virtually condemned it. And the reason being is every time I top this up now, the pressure just drops like there's no tomorrow. So we've gone outside, which I will pause. And he said that this part here, that should be insulated, and I don't think it should be plastic, he said. But it's absolutely pouring out there. It's going down. It's not now because it's empty and I'm not redoing it. And it's coming out that pipe, not this one, I have to drag, we know that's that pipe at the back. And when we fill the system, it's pouring out of there. Reason being, back in again, here she is, right back in again, that we don't have a hole or a leak on the radiators, they've all been done. That the furnace was gone, and when you fire this up now, you get this surge of like, that sounds a bit dodgy. And he's come and had a look. Really? Look underneath there, look at that. Could be a bit of a water coming. And he reckons there is a puncture in the coil or whatever's inside there. And when this comes out, I'm going to take this apart because I can then, without anybody having a go at me. So yeah, I want to have a look what's inside there. He reckons that is it a pipe or something inside there? He knew what he's talking about. I've never been in there, so I wouldn't know. There's a leak and it's pouring out, and it's coming out through that pipe at the back. Is it that one? One of these. Yeah, and it's coming down and it's going to that bottle there, which then that leads outside. And there you go. So, bye boiler. We've been such good friends. It's seen us through. Done a lot of work on it, like I said. Done a lot of repairs on it. Got a lot of stick from other plumbers, which is absolutely fine. And that's it. Gonna say goodbye to the boiler, Jane.
Goodbye £2,000.
Yeah, so it's going to cost us a couple of grand because he's going to come in. Which is a new boiler, slightly more powerful, more upgraded. The water filter for the radiators is going to be incorporated in the boiler, I believe. Yeah, that's it. It's going to tidy all this up. I will replumb the radiators going through into the hall. And that's it really. This is just an updated video on the boiler. He'll fit the new one. I won't be filming that. I don't think he'd like that. No one would like that. But I am going to take this apart, which would be quite interesting. So there will be a second part to this. So we'll have a look inside and we'll just have a play. I mean, I might sell this because it's still quite good. So it's less than 6 months old, I think. Oh yeah, changed them, bought them. Yeah, anyway. I'd just like to clarify, I've actually kept this going for about 5 years myself. And I have had some stick over it. And the reason being is they said you should get a plumber. Well, I did. And I must admit, I would say total of about 6, maybe 7 people I have contacted and they never turned up. So in that respect, what am I supposed to do? Let my grandchildren freeze to death because they were staying with us, or have a go at fixing it myself? So I had to go at fixing myself. But yeah, anyway, so I'm not going to complain. I did it. It was a good experience. Yeah, it was a good experience. I actually enjoyed it. We have a manual for it still. We've kept that safe. And anytime we've had an error code, we've gone to the manual, gone through each bit, had a look at it, and then tried to fathom it out ourselves, from switches to pressure, whatever, pressure valves to, like I said, the three-way valves to expansion tanks to pumps. So, and that bit, whatever that, I think that's is that another pressure switch or a pressure valve? Not too sure. I will be corrected, but it doesn't matter. A new one's coming. I am really looking forward to taking this apart to see what's inside. I'm sure there's several people on there as well who are looking towards. I'd love to see what's inside there and in here, but it will not be connected to the gas. So
14 videos on that.
Have I?
Yeah.
I've done 14 videos on this boiler. I've been told off God knows how many times. I've been told that I'm going to be reported to the boiler police. I don't know why. I mean, you know, at the end of the day, they could come out. I'll show them the grandchildren freezing to death on the spot. No, I'm not even going to do that. I'm not even going to go there, okay? I did what I had to do as a dad or a grandpa. And that's it. So, there you go. Goodbye, boiler.
Kept it going for 5 years at least.
Yeah. Looking forward to part 2, which will be the final and the end of this, because I will take it all apart.
We blow it up.
Why set fire to it? No, I can't. I like it. Okay, thanks very much. There you go. Bye. There we go. Thanks very much for watching. If you'd like to give it a thumbs up and a like, that would be great. Maybe it's a boring video and you don't want to. Or there might be some plumbers out there who'll say, right, get rid of him. Thank God for that. But I haven't done anything wrong, so I'm not really bothered. Take care. See you in the next vid. Bye.